Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the Z7ii and ensuring the battery is at least 50%. If possible, attach the AC adapter to prevent interruption. Insert a FAT32 formatted SD card into your computer and copy the Nikon firmware. bin file to the root directory, then confirm the file name matches Nikon's update package exactly. Once done, eject the card safely and insert it into the camera. Make sure camera menus are accessible and turn the camera on with the lens cap on to avoid accidental triggers. You navigate to Menu, then Setup, and select Firmware version to begin. When the camera reads the SD card, it will show the new version. Choose Update and follow the prompts. The camera may ask to update multiple components, so accept both camera and control firmware updates when presented. While the camera writes firmware, do not press buttons, remove the card, or switch power off. This preserves the bootloader and prevents bricking. If progress stalls, remain patient. Some steps can take several minutes. Once the update completes, the camera will usually reboot. Check Menu Firmware version to confirm the new version is installed. Make sure to reformat the SD card in camera to remove the update file and restore normal operation. Then test basic functions like autofocus and exposure to verify stability. If the update fails or the camera shows error messages, try a fresh FAT32 card and repeat the process. If problems persist, document the error message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.